Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Ford Fiesta radio code. First, you'll need to find your radio's unique serial number. This is usually on a label on the side or back of the unit. You might need special radio removal keys to carefully slide the unit out of the dashboard. Once you have the serial number, write it down precisely, as it's crucial for generating your unlock code. Now that you have your serial number, the next step is to obtain your radio's unlock code. Many online code generators are available where you can input your serial number. Alternatively, you can contact a Ford dealership with your vehicle details and serial number. They can usually provide the correct code for a small fee or sometimes for free. This code is typically a 4- or 5-digit number. With your unlock code in hand, it's time to enter it into your radio. Turn on your Ford Fiesta radio, and you should see code or enter code displayed. Use the radio's preset buttons, usually numbers 1 through 4, to input each digit of your code. For example, press button 1 multiple times for the first digit. After entering all digits, press the 6th preset button to confirm and unlock your radio. If you encounter issues, don't worry. Entering an incorrect code too many times might temporarily lock your radio, displaying wait or locked. Simply leave the radio on for about 10 to 30 minutes, and it should reset, allowing you to try again. Always double-check your serial number and the generated code to ensure accuracy. If problems persist, contacting a Ford service center is always a good option.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.